In this video, you'll learn how to properly tie a tie. Stay tuned. Welcome to the Dum Dum Channel. Are you feeling like a dum-dum? It's okay. We're here to help. First off, lift the collar of your shirt and place the tie around your neck. If you're right-handed, make sure the thin side is on your left. Do the opposite if you're left-handed. The wide end should hang lower than the thin one. How much lower is going to depend on the length of the tie and on your height. You may have to try a few different lengths to get it right. Move the wide side over the thin side by crossing it over. Bring it around the back and return it to the front. You should have made a full loop when you're done. Pull the wide end up behind the loop you just made and through the two halves of the tie. Now take the wide end of the tie and push it through the front part of the loop. Pull the wide end of the tie down. This will tighten the knot. Grab the knot and the thin side of the tie and pull upward on the knot to move the tie higher on your neck. The tie should hang at the top to middle of the belt line, and the knot should be fairly flush with the collar. Congratulations, you now know how to tie a necktie. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.